brand new police chief, but we still have no idea what his policy is going to be towards we the people. We don't know if he's going to be a strong blue liner or if he's going to chip it away. But I will tell you this, I don't think he remembers what it's like to be on the beat as a cop. I discovered a cop on his beat about 4 neighborhoods away from mine, giving out tickets to every single car that was parked up on the grass. These tickets cost $85 a piece. $85 a piece. Now, if people are parked up on the grass, that tells you something about their neighborhood. It's not a very affluent neighborhood. And if it's not an affluent neighborhood, they probably have jobs like food service, construction, people that were hit hardest by the pandemic. And now they're stuck with $85 tickets. They might have to choose between their electricity and this ticket. So shame on you, Mr. Chain of Command, whoever asked your beat officer to go ticket all those people during a pandemic, no less. Shame on you. And you didn't even think what it was going to do to your officer, the one that's on the beat. Now that officer has to face those people. He has to try to explain why he ticketed them. And they're never going to trust him. So how is he supposed to create a relationship with the people on his beat if he turns around and gives $85 tickets to them? And this is all your fault. So actually, I'm not really impressed so far. So we're going to keep watching you and we're going to see what you do. I've got this one guy up here. It looks like he's writing a ticket. He was beating on the door. Now he's going to go back up to the house again and knock on the door. Now, why don't you go find some real crime? You're parked on the wrong side of the road. Just ticket yourself. Why don't you go find some real crime? My job. That's not, come on. Like, these people live in these places and you think they got money to pay that stuff? Why don't you just give them a warning?
I've got citizens complaining on me, but not taking care of that.
Well, you're parked on the wrong side of the road.
So, I parked over there.
You're parked on the wrong side of the road.
Talk to, okay.
Why don't you just knock on their door and tell them? Isn't this code enforcement's job?
Huh?
Isn't this code enforcement's job?
No.
Yes.
Front yard parking is what
It's code enforcement.
If it's in the driveway, then code takes care of it. If it's in the yard.
Oh, come on. That's code enforcement. Why don't you go get some real criminals? That's kind of sorry.
It's not my choice. It's not what I'd rather be doing.
Oh, why don't you don't have to.
Sign up to do this, but it's part of my
You
job.
should just go find somebody else on the highway that's speeding real fast. That's a code enforcement job right there. That car's all broke down.
Actually, it's not. My code officer actually sends these to me.
Nope. No warning letters, no nothing. Just $200 tickets.
Actually, I've worked in this neighborhood for years, and I've knocked on doors and talked to some people repeatedly about it. Okay, so no, it's not just go up and no warning and give a citation. Maybe you should educate yourself before you start fighting.
I know that you're a tyrant. I don't have to educate myself on that. What about him? Can he do that? He's on the grass too. Son. I remember this. There has definitely been some shenanigans going on in this neighborhood. I've been here several times watching police. much do you think the rent is there? How much do you think the rent is right there? How much do you think that ticket is? It's a lot of money. In this day and age.
If it's my responsibility to do this,
It's a victimless. It's a victimless crime.
and I'm responsible to my chain of command on whether or not I take care of the complaint.
I would just say, ah, it wasn't there. I would just say, nah. Victimless. It's a victimless crime. Took care of that criminal. $80 there. $80 there. Are they allowed to work on their vehicles in the driveway? Better go get them too.
That would be a code issue. When it's in the driveway, it's code. It's not me.
I don't know. He's kind of loud there. It's kind of loud. You might want to go ticket him too. Kind of loud. Don't you think? Excessive noise.
I've been through here and given warnings repeatedly. Okay? So don't think I just come up and slap a ticket on a car without out of blue with no context. Okay? I've been very patient in this area. If you drive around this street, it looks like the neighborhood police officer doesn't care about taking care of it because everybody's parking in their yard.
What's wrong with parking in your yard?
That's what code sees. That's what code notifies my chain of command, and that's why I have to come out here. All right?
What's your quota for today? Do you have a quota? No quota? Then don't write the tickets. Wow.